Today, we're diving into something that's changing the influencer marketing game in a huge way. If you've ever wondered how brands partner with influencers, how those suspiciously perfect ads keep showing up in your feed, or how creators are making real money beyond YouTube AdSense, then this is the video for you. We're talking about a platform called AHA Ads, an AI-powered influencer marketing platform that is completely changing the way brands connect with audiences. Instead of throwing money at ads and hoping for the best, AHA Ads matches brands with influencers and ensures every dollar spent leads to actual engagement. This isn't some vague brand awareness thing. Brands are only paying for real clicks and real results. Now, I know that may sound like every other ad platform out there, but the difference here is the AI. AHA Ads doesn't just match brands with random influencers. It analyzes data, audience behavior, and past engagement patterns to make sure campaigns perform at the highest level possible. And if something isn't working, the AI automatically adjusts in real time, making it 4 times faster than traditional ad campaigns. This is marketing that actually makes sense. So let's break down exactly how this works and why it might just be the future of influencer marketing. So let's talk about what AHA Ads actually does, because it's more than just another ad platform. This is influencer marketing on basically autopilot. Normally, when a brand wants to promote a product, they have to manually search for the influencers, analyze their audience, and hope that their followers actually care about what's being advertised. Then they have to negotiate a contract, create content, and wait weeks, sometimes months, to see if it actually works. There's no real way to tell if the influencer's audience will actually engage with the product. Brands might end up spending thousands of dollars just to realize later that their campaign flopped. AHA Ads completely flips the script. Instead of brands wasting time searching, the AI scans millions of influencers, checks your audience demographics, and instantly finds the best possible match. This means businesses can start a campaign in minutes rather than weeks. They only pay when someone actually clicks the ad. If an ad isn't getting any engagement, they don't lose money. It's the kind of efficiency that's been missing from influencer marketing for way too long. One of the biggest challenges in influencer marketing is making sure ads don't feel like ads. We've all seen those sponsorships that just don't feel right, where the creator clearly has zero connection to the product, and the whole thing just feels forced and unnatural. Audiences can spot inauthenticity from a mile away, and when they do, they scroll right past it. This is where AHA Ads completely changes the game. Instead of giving influencers a generic pre-written script, AHA Ads uses AI to customize the content so it feels natural to that specific creator's audience. It actually analyzes their past videos, their tone, their pacing, and even the way they deliver information. The result? Ads that seamlessly blend into their content instead of sticking out like a forced sales pitch. Imagine a YouTuber who makes fast-paced, high-energy tech reviews. If they suddenly stop mid-video to read a slow, formal sponsorship script, it's gonna feel naturally out of place. Their audience is there for quick insights, sharp commentary, and engaging visuals. AHA Ads knows this, and they automatically tailor the ad to fit that style. Instead of a boring monologue, the ad might be structured as a quick comparison, a real-time product test, or a flashy, high-energy demo. Now, let's say another creator is more laid back and conversational. Their audience is used to longer, deep diving content. In this case, AHA Ads might generate an ad that feels more like a personal story, maybe a real-world use case, or a Q&A style integration that keeps the viewers engaged. This type of adaptive advertising is a game changer. Instead of feeling disruptive, ads flow naturally within the creator's content, making them far more effective. This is why campaigns that run through AHA Ads have a 52% higher conversion rate than traditional influencer campaigns. At the end of the day, the best ads don't actually feel like ads. They feel like content that actually adds value to the audience. And with AHA Ads' AI-powered approach, that's exactly what brands are getting. Launching a campaign on AHA Ads is super simple, and it all starts with choosing the right objective. Whether you're looking to drive traffic to your website, generate leads for your business, encourage signups, or boost sales, AHA Ads provides tailored options to meet your goals. Once you've selected your objective, you'll move through key steps like setting your budget, defining your audience, and optimizing your creatives to ensure maximum engagement. And don't worry, AHA Ads makes it easy to track performance so you can tweak and refine your campaign for the best results. Now, let's get into the real power of AHA Ads, how it makes sure that ads actually reach the right audience. We've all seen those ads that feel weirdly perfectly placed. You were just talking about a product and suddenly it's in your Instagram feed. That's AI-powered audience targeting in action. With AHA Ads, brands don't just work with influencers. They work with the influencer's audience. The AI looks at what kind of product the audience has engaged with before, how they interact with similar brands, and what type of content gets the highest clicks and conversion rates. This means ads aren't wasted on people who don't care. It's not just about reaching people. It's about reaching the right people in the right way. One of the most most impressive things about AHA Ads is how it constantly improves itself. Traditional advertising requires constant manual adjustment. Brands have to look at the performance data, make changes, wait for results, and hope these changes work. This process takes weeks, and by the time they figure out what's wrong, the budget is already wasted. AHA Ads does this automatically. If an ad isn't performing, the AI can adjust it instantly. It might switch to a different influencer, change the format, or test new messaging all in real time. For example, if a campaign for wireless earbuds starts underperforming on Instagram but doing great on TikTok, AHA Ads will instantly shift more budget to TikTok. It's like having a marketing team working around the clock, making optimizations at lightning speed. This kind of real-time learning makes the campaign 4 times more efficient than traditional methods. That means higher engagement, lower costs, and better results, all without the brands having to lift a finger. So let's wrap this up. AHA Ads is changing the entire influencer marketing game by making it smarter, faster, and way more effective. Instead of wasting money on guesswork, brands are only paying for results. Instead of slow manual optimization, AI does it automatically. So if you're a brand looking for higher engagement and better return on investment, or a creator who wants to work with brands without endless negotiations, AHA Ads is something you need to check out. Start your AHA Ads campaign today and reach the right audience with ease. Click the link below to set up your campaign and watch your business grow. Let me know what you think in the comments. And hey, if you enjoyed this video and you want more breakdowns on the latest tech, influencer marketing, and AI-powered innovations, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It helps the channel out a ton and you get notified whenever I drop new content just like this. Plus, we're just getting started. So if you want to stay ahead of the game, you know what to do. Hit that like button, subscribe for more, and I'll catch you guys all in the next one. And don't forget to flex with your tech.